Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today's word is aberration. Notice the spelling. Aberration. 4 syllables. Aberration. Stress on ray. Aberration. Ration. Now, before I continue, please watch this video right till the end because the idea is learn English every day. So as you listen to this video, you get a lot of things, a lot of chunks, a lot of sentences, a lot of usages, a lot of grammar elements, a lot of pronunciation. Each video has got a certain amount of all these things. And that, when you imbibe, that improves your English. Keep watching these videos and watch them right till the end. And do subscribe to our channel because surprisingly, only 4% of my viewers subscribe to this channel, and that is really sad. Yesterday, I was told that it was about 8%. Keep going, but do subscribe. It means something that is different. There's one normal, and there's something that is other than normal. That is an aberration. If, let's say, the speed of 50 kilometers per hour is normal, 60 kilometers is an aberration, 40 kilometers per hour is also an aberration, not normal. Right, let's see how to use this in sentences to see a practical use of this word aberration. She's normally cool-headed and very calm person, but that outburst was an aberration. Means she's normally cool, she has no outburst, but that anger then, that was an aberration. The outburst is an anger. Outburst! There's an outburst of anger. That was an aberration, not normal. This year's 8% growth rate was an aberration. Our annual growth rate for the past 20 years has been between 12 and 18%. So 12 and 18% is the annual growth rate for 20 years. This year it was 8%. That was an aberration. He achieved his sales target this month, but that was an aberration. Why? He normally overachieves his targets. He goes beyond his set targets by 20 to 30%. So you set a target of 100, he achieves 130. But this month it was 100. That was an aberration. Now, look at this different use of aberration. I'm almost willing to call it a phrase, a chunk. She agreed to marry him in a moment of aberration. Now, look at the meaning of this. She didn't want to marry him. She said no to him. I'm not going to marry you. That has been consistent. No, 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 no. And then there was a moment of aberration. So no suddenly became yes. That aberration. There was a moment of aberration and she said yes. And she agreed to marry him in a moment of aberration. Now here's another one. In most Western countries, a successful woman is an aberration or has been an aberration until very recently. Look, for instance, the United States doesn't have a woman president yet. So a woman president in the United States is an aberration. Women in the Western countries are generally given the second-class status. They are not equal to men. Let's talk about Indian elections. When the BJP won in 2014, everybody thought that was an aberration. It's normally the Congress that wins, but this time it was BJP. That's an aberration. Next time, Congress is going to win. But in 2019, BJP came back with a greater majority. So clearly, the 2014 victory was not an aberration. It was a set path. But we thought it was an aberration. Now we know that wasn't an aberration. Maybe the 2024 elections might prove different. I don't know. Now let's look at a few synonyms. Aberration is one. Abnormality. A diversion. A departure. A quirk. An oddity. These are all the synonyms of aberration. Do you know of any aberrations in your life? Do let us know. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.